Hello, my third grade spelling friends. It is time for us to go over our spelling words, and we are going over the N sound. There's many ways to make the N sound. Let's look at our spelling words and learn. Simply using the letter N, as in nearby. Nearby, nearby. Recently, recently, recently. Understand, understand, understand. Or using the letter combination GN, as in design. DESIGN, design. Or NAT, GNAT, NAT. Gnarly, GNARLY, gnarly. Campaign, CAMPAIGN, campaign. Or you can make the N sound using KN, as in knighted. KNIGHTED, knighted. Or knuckle, KNUCKLE, knuckle. Knowledge, KNOWLEDGE. Or knobby, KNOBBY. Knotted, KNOTTED. You can also make the N sound using double consonants, as in N. Channel, CHANNEL, channel. Skinny, SKINNY, skinny. Flannel, FLANNEL. Manned, MANNED, manned. Annoy, ANNOY, annoy. Now we have our challenge words. These words usually do not follow the way that they sound. So let's get started, and practice makes perfect. Very, VERY, very. Very, VARY, very. Enough, ENOUGH, enough. Lastly, we have astronomer, ASTRONOMER. Well, like I say, it is important that you practice these words every single day. Bye bye.